Welcome to Highway Herald, your roadmap to the latest in auto. The much-anticipated Cybertruck has finally rolled out, and it's just as disappointing as we feared. Who would have thought that a high-priced, limited-range behemoth could ever be a viable option? Luckily, there are far better and more accessible alternatives out there, and leading the pack is the remarkable Toyota Tundra, which outperforms the Cybertruck in every way imaginable. So, buckle up as we speed into the top 5 reasons why the Toyota Tundra leaves the world's most overhyped truck in the dust. Reason number 5. The Tundra is a beacon of dependability. It's no secret that the Cybertruck is unlikely to be a paragon of reliability. Given Tesla's track record with their earlier models, particularly those released initially, we can anticipate anything but dependability and durability. Moreover, with the production of the Cybertruck already under pressure, it would be naive to expect Tesla not to cut corners. Issues with the drivetrain, battery, and software are just a few potential pitfalls awaiting Cybertruck owners. However, these problems are non-existent with the Toyota Tundra. Since its launch in 2021, the Tundra has been nothing less than extraordinary. Its 3.4-liter V6 engine has been lauded for its impressive performance and torque, all while maintaining exceptional reliability. Additionally, the Tundra shares its underpinnings with the Land Cruiser, meaning it has already proven its mettle and could probably take on the world if challenged. And let's not forget Toyota's stellar record with electronics. Most of their vehicles top the charts when it comes to the quality of electronic features. Speaking of quality, reason number 4. The Tundra excels in quality control. We're genuinely taken aback by the poor quality control of the Cybertruck. Elon Musk, in his infinite wisdom, chose to construct the Cybertruck from stainless steel. While this might have seemed like a cool concept, the actual production has been nothing short of a disaster. Stainless steel is notoriously difficult to bend, and it tends to spring back once bent. As a result, assembled Cybertrucks often exhibit large and inconsistent panel gaps, which are virtually impossible to rectify. Moreover, painting stainless steel is challenging and costly, and since it's also a magnet for scratches, leaving it unprotected is a no-brainer. This is why Tesla decided to offer protective films as an optional extra, costing a whopping $5,000. It's clear that Tesla didn't fully think through the Cybertruck, did they? And if we consider their previous models, we can expect subpar interior quality and a lack of attention to detail. The interior itself has as much personality as a bland, unseasoned steak. It's as flat as a flat earther's worldview. In stark contrast, the Toyota Tundra is a well-conceived vehicle. Quality paint job? Check. Avoidance of unnecessary bodywork complications? Check. A comfortable, straightforward, and inviting interior? Check. Hey Tesla, crafting a proper pickup truck isn't rocket science. You might want to start taking notes from Toyota. And while you're at it, make sure to underline the next reason why Toyota leaves the Cybertruck in the dust. Reason number 3. The Tundra outshines in aesthetics. Who on earth would declare the Cybertruck as a visually appealing truck? Sure, it's controversial, but there are only a handful of sights as unappealing as the Cybertruck. As the saying goes, controversy is the last refuge of the talentless. Fortunately, the Toyota Tundra is brimming with talent, which is why it doesn't need to resort to such extremes. We'd argue that the Tundra isn't just more attractive than the Cybertruck, it's also one of the most visually appealing trucks on the market today. In contrast to the geometric oddity that dares to call itself a truck, the Tundra commands a truly intimidating presence on the road, embodying the essence of what a real pickup truck should be. Starting from the front, the Tundra sports a vertical front end, beautifully offset by a sizable grille. While we're not typically fans of oversized grilles on vehicles, the one on the Tundra is tastefully positioned and perfectly complements the vehicle's character. The rest of the vehicle is equally imposing and purposeful. Everything appears robust, powerful, and ready to take on the world. The side profile is as straightforward as a stack of bricks. In a world of overly intricate designs, such a simple side profile is a refreshing change. That's not to say the vehicle lacks character. The aggressive side creases add a rugged and sporty flair to the truck. The rear harmonizes with the rest of the vehicle. The taillights are crisp, and the tailgate creasing gives the vehicle a more compact, yet intimidating look from the back. Overall, the vehicle feels like a genuine pickup truck, not a fashion statement for those who believe electric vehicles will save the world. Moreover, it's not as if the Cybertruck's design offers any special advantages, especially not in the utility department. which leads us to the next reason why the Tundra reigns supreme. Reason number 2, the Tundra triumphs in practicality. Honestly, we struggle to see why anyone seeking a genuine work truck would opt for a Cybertruck. Despite its impressive 0 to 60 times and solid torque figures, the vehicle falls short as a true work truck. The bed size is underwhelming at 6 by 4 feet, considerably smaller than the Tundra's offering, and its unconventional design further diminishes its utility. The Cybertruck's stainless steel body, while designed to withstand harsh conditions, is easy to scratch and difficult to repair due to the high stress concentration at a single point. Unlike regular vehicles, bodywork filler can't be used on the Cybertruck due to its lack of paint. The range is another major issue. Despite promises of over 500 miles in 2019, the released model falls far short of these projected figures. The regular all-wheel drive can, at best, achieve around 340 miles on a single charge without the range extender battery. With the range extender, the vehicle can reach up to 470 miles, which is 30 miles less than the projected figure. Waiting for the Cybertruck to recharge could take an eternity if there's a queue. Despite the technological advancements, we still fail to see the appeal of electric vehicles over those powered by internal combustion engines. And the most compelling reason why the Toyota Tundra outshines the Cybertruck is because... Reason number 1. The Tundra is far more accessible. Tesla's Cybertruck, with its promised affordable base model price of $39,990, fell short of expectations. The entry point for the 2024 model doubled, with the cheapest all-wheel drive model costing upwards of $80,000, and the Cyberbeast slightly crossing the six-figure mark. The upcoming rear-wheel drive model is projected to cost between $60,000 and $70,000, significantly more than the base model Tundra. The Tundra, starting at around $40,000, offers a 350 horsepower pickup truck that meets all your work truck needs. It provides a fair bit of kit, a comfortable ride, and a well-designed exterior and interior. For the price of a base model Cybertruck, you can opt for a fully loaded plug-in hybrid version of the Tundra, offering increased power, enormous range and economy, coupled with a luxurious ride and interior. The irony is that you'll pay more and get less with the Cybertruck compared to the Tundra, and the same result applies when comparing the production model to the pre-production one. It's astonishing to see Tesla stumble so badly, but then again, we were naive to trust Elon Musk's grandiose promises. Fool me once, shame on you, right? That wraps up our comparison of the Toyota Tundra and the Tesla Cybertruck. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of vehicles and want to stay updated with the latest vehicle news and upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe to Highway Herald. Drive safe and stay tuned.